What is going on, LEGO investors? So today we're going to go over some sales that are out this week. Typically every Sunday I like to make the videos because that's when Target drops their sales. But I will say flat out at the beginning, it is a rough week for sales. I really haven't seen it this bad in a long time. I believe we're entering the eye before the storm, or whatever you call it, during the tornado, where there's that silence period and then it comes back. I've been checking Walmart and Target every day, and I will say the inventory levels for both those stores have gone up drastically from before. So I think we are going to start seeing some sales within the next 3 months. And I think they're going to be awesome sales, not the terrible sales on sets that just are small and tiny that haven't been selling. I think we might get some awesome sales because the inventory levels are just starting to build up and they have to clear them out. And if you look, that's why before Walmart offered those amazing clearances, which you should still be checking every single day right now because they are still occurring. I think they had to clear out all the inventory because they just had a massive shipment coming in, and now all the Walmarts that I visit are absolutely stocked. And they are not selling, so that tells me that they're going to have to continue to do clearance sets more and more to get more inventory. But out of all the stores, I will say that Target typically has the best sets and best sales, so I am really waiting for those to go on sale. But anyways, let's dive into it and go over what's available. I'll go over some thoughts and opinions on sets that I'm hoping to go on sale, and yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on, did I miss any sets? Are there any sets that you're looking forward to going on sale? Anything I'd love to hear. It really helps the community and it helps the channel. But let's dive into it. So, yeah, Target has zero sales. So if you go here, all deals, clearance, all that stuff, we really have barely anything. They've just got nothing. They don't even have any official sales. They've got the basic sales that are out right now, the typically reduced sale price that becomes the normal price, which that's what we want when Lego investing, because then eventually they're going to have to offer sales on top of those normal sale prices. That is what we want. But there's nothing that really stands out and that I'm really seeing that is a great buy. So I'm really hoping the Boba Fett mech goes on sale for a great price. I think eventually it's going to have to drop down to $7.99, $8.99, maybe even $10. But I really like this. This is unique. I think there's some money on the table, but these are going to be small gains for the Boba Fett mech. And then we've got the TIE Bomber. Waiting for this one to go on a deeper discount. I love this set. Honestly, at $51, I think this is a great buy right now. I think it's going to do anywhere from $70 to $100. And it's really flying under the radar, and I think people are going to regret not buying it. So I think it will be in demand in retirement. And then we've got Darth Vader, waiting for this to go on a massive discount. Obviously, I made that video, and I do think there's just a ton of inventory. I think eventually it will probably go on a massive discount because it's been out for so long. They've just got to have a ton of inventory in their warehouses. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see this go on a massive sale on Black Friday. And then we've got, obviously, Captain Rex, waiting for this one to go on a deeper discount. Although at $55, I'm happy at this price. Honestly, I would pay this, but this is going to be a Black Friday set just alongside with Commander Cody. I think we're going to see great prices. I wouldn't be surprised if we see them hit for $43. Kind of like we saw how the Luke Skywalker Red 5 helmet. I think these are going to follow the same path. But I truly believe that eventually Target and all the other places will rise it back up to the official price, like how they did with the Luke Skywalker, how it's on Amazon, and it's just kind of continuously going because nobody wants to buy it at retail. But keep an eye out for these because I think we're going to see some awesome sales come eventually. And then one thing I want to note about the Optimus Prime set, so look at the price. This is the official price right now. So that is great. I absolutely love this set. I think it is so amazing. I love Transformers. Yes, I know the flaws with this set, the legs issue, but the display factor of Optimus Prime is strong, and I think this is going to be a great set years into retirement. So I truly believe this is going to hit like $100 eventually, and I would love to pick some up at this price. I know a lot of people hate this set, but I truly believe in it, And it all depends. If it stays out for just a ton of years, obviously, then my opinion will change. But I'm hoping it does retire fairly soon. And then we've got Leia Bush helmet. Definitely keep an eye on this one. These are all stocked at my Target, so I think they are going to go on sale. I think they're just going to have to clear them out. And people are really hating on this helmet. They're avoiding it just like the Dark Trooper. And look at what the Dark Trooper is doing right now. The Dark Trooper is doing awesome, and I think it's just going to keep going up. I think this one is a far better helmet than the Dark Trooper, and I truly believe this might be the second helmet of all time. So definitely keeping an eye out for this. Every Sunday I always check to see if this is the first one that goes on sale, because I will avoid making the video and run out to try and beat everyone else to get those sales, because they're gonna be searching the same way that I'm searching, because at $70 this is rough, but if it goes in anywhere from $48 to $55, this is going to be a grand slam. I think this is going to be $100 to $180 set in retirement. So yeah, sadly that's all we got for Target. There's really nothing. I just thought the interesting part of Target was the Optimus Prime set. And then let's take a look at Walmart. Walmart, we've just got the basic sales right now. The Batman vs. the Joker Batwing for $30. I like this set. I think it could sell anywhere from $50 to $60 in retirement. And I think it goes along nicely with the much larger Batwing, which I will say the much larger Batwing has been horrible in trying to sell. I think I made a bad decision investing in that set, because that just is a terrible set, and people are taking losses near me. So I think the much smaller one would have been a better move. I should have waited, but I love the price. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a slightly better sale, but either way, $30. I really like that price. And then Dobby is still on sale. I know I still have ill feelings towards this set. I think it's an ugly set, but when I made that video, everyone opened my eyes and they love this set. So I'm probably going to pick up a few of these just in case. And then we got the Astronomy Tower. That one's on sale. And then Dumbledore's Office, $64. Definitely passing on those. And then we got the basic sets, the dump truck, the Jurassic World, the Minion, and then the Expecto Patronum. I love this set. Honestly, I think it's a great display piece, but I would need to pick this up for like $25 to $30, which I do not think that's going to hit. And then the 3-in-1 Parrot still on sale. I think that's going to be a bad investment. And then keep an eye out for the Speed Champions. This one is still $17.98. The Speed Champions are absolutely stocked at Walmart. I would love to hear how your Walmart is doing. Are you seeing massive stocks like mine? And I'm visiting like 5, and they all have a ton of Speed Champions. So I fully expect Speed Champions to hit an awesome sale very soon. And when I say an awesome sale, I'm talking about $15.99 as my buy price. I love Speed Champions. They're great. They're great sales. They are slow but consistent, and I think I can sell Speed Champions all day for $30 or more. And typically parents buy multiple Speed Champions from me at a time for their kids. And yeah, sadly that's really it for Walmart. Nothing really going on. I'm waiting for the Back to the Future time machine to go on a deeper discount, and then yeah, they're just starting to randomly drop prices on other sets, but nothing out there that's really standing out. The one that really stands out to me is the Batwing, honestly. And then let's check out Amazon. Amazon really doesn't have a whole lot going on. We've just got, the basic sales that we see every week, like the dinosaur on sale, the 3-in-1, the flowers, which everyone has been commenting that the flower line has been making them money, but I just can't get into it because it seems like the flower line just stays out for like 4 years minimum. But a few sets that I want to note is the Ghostbuster Ecto 1. I love this set. This was originally $200. They made a huge mistake raising the price on this. That was just greed on Lego's part, which shame on a multi-billion-dollar corporation for doing that. But it is nice to see this on sale. I love this. Originally, when it was supposed to retire, like 2 years ago, I bought like 10 of these, and then I realized it was going to be extended, so I returned them all to Target, and luckily they did accept them. I got extremely lucky because I thought this set was going to do amazing in retirement. I thought a minimum $100, but now I wouldn't be surprised if we get a $30 profit in retirement for this set. But keep an eye on this. Wouldn't be surprised if we hit some deeper discounts. Then we've got obviously the Batwing, $30 here, which I think is a fairly great price. And then we've got Chewbacca. One thing I want you to be aware of is I do not recommend this set at all. Please, I do not take that as me showing this. Do not take this as this is something that I like. I think this is a horrible set. I think Lego made a big mistake with this. There's so many things wrong with it. I mean, just look at those eyes. I think they did my boy Chewie very, very bad, and to have it for $200 is just insane. But it's $194, so they're slowly, gradually starting to lower the price. I honestly am shocked that it has not hit a sale already. I think they've been holding out and they know they need to, but they're just holding out for the fact, probably because it's Chewbacca, or I don't know. There's something political going on. Disney telling them don't drop the price or something. There's got to be something going on with it. But keep an eye out. If you did like this for personal use, investing, absolutely avoid it. And that's it for Amazon. Let's check out Best Buy. If you're not aware, Best Buy does sell Lego sets. So we've got just a few going on. The one that really stands out is the Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm torn on this line. I'm not sure if it will do well, but if you're looking for it for personal use, this is a great price. Investing, I still have to do more research, but I do want you to be aware that it is on sale. And yeah, nothing really standing out. I mean, they got the Technic bulldozer. I don't know if you like that for maybe city building in some form of fashion, but nothing really awesome. Maybe the Daily Bugle, if you're looking this for personal use. This one's $330. It's gonna go on a deeper discount. It has in the past, and I'm sure it will in the future. I wouldn't be surprised if this is the year for big sets that we see go on a decent discount, because the big sets, when you cross over $200, just do not sell. And last up, let's check out Lego. So Lego just has the typical sales. The Atari 2600, I need this on a way deeper discount. Honestly, even if it hit probably $150, I think I'm going to avoid it. I just don't think it will be a good investment in retirement. I think it would be a long hold. And then we got the basic keychains. I need those at a better discount. I do think there is potential with keychains, but passing on it. Then we got Jake Sully and his Avatar. Absolutely, Avatars are horrible movies, and I think the Lego line is a clear indication of that. They're just a giant failure in my opinion. And I think Disney made a huge mistake building the Avatar Park or whatever it's called. Just because something earns a ton of profits does not mean it's a great movie or even a great set. And I think I think the movies did well because of the CGI. That's it. I think that's all there was to it. And then we got the Black Panther War in the Water and Suri's Sunbird. Absolutely passing on Black Panther sets. Personal use, hey, this might work for you, but investing, I would bet you would lose money on Black Panther sets. And then we got the Hulkbuster. This one's $384. If you're looking for this for personal use, keep an eye out for in the future. We just had a awesome sale not that long ago. I think it was at Target for like $280. So definitely not a great sale going on here. Then we got the Carnage keychain. I really like this one because I love Carnage. And yeah, that's it for Lego. Not a whole lot of sales going on. Again, this is a rough week for investing, but that's pretty much it. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Did I miss any that you think I should go over? Or I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on some of the stuff that I discussed. I definitely appreciate hearing all feedback, whether good or bad. But anyways, as always, please do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.